Hello, this is a guide on how to connect to Netflix using a different location with VPNCity. All you will need is the VPNCity application and a Netflix subscription. Please open your Netflix and browse to the search area. Search a show in the area you wish to connect to that is not available in your current location. As you can see, I have searched for Doctor Who and it is not available where I am at in the US. Now, open the VPNCity application and select the Locations box to browse locations. Now, connect to the streaming location in which the show you want to watch is available in. Please make sure you choose a streaming location as these are optimized for Netflix and streaming services. Please allow a moment so the VPN may connect. Now that it is connected, restart Netflix and search again for the show you are wanting to watch. It will now show up as Doctor Who is showing up in my Netflix now, as you can tell. Thank you for watching this guide, and please check out our other guides on VPNCity.com.